co-father here. I'm very proud of the machines that we manufacture and the trailers we manufacture at Little Bubba. One of the key elements of our business that makes it possible to do really good fabrication is a Waterjet machine. So this machine you see here, it's operated by hydraulics that creates a lot of pressure, and that pressure in the water forces the water through this, and it goes down, it can cut through plates. Right now, you can see that Waterjet is cutting through 1-inch plates. It's water, it's doing an amazing job, and that's what we do to cut up all of our sheet metal, all of our aluminum for our trailers, because the Waterjet allows cutting to take place without any heat. So it's one of the tricks of the trade that we use at Little Bubba, and it makes our equipment that we manufacture a lot straighter, a lot cleaner, and a lot nicer. Waterjet cutting, littlebubba.com.